Are you tired of spending hours chopping, slicing, and grinding ingredients for your meals? Imagine a kitchen companion that slashes prep time, simplifies complex recipes, and elevates your cooking game. This Fohere 12-cup food processor with 2-in-1 Feed Chute vegetable chopper and meat grinder is here to transform your culinary experience. This versatile, stainless steel powerhouse is designed to handle everything from mincing meat to kneading dough, making it a must-have for home cooks and food enthusiasts. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this food processor deserves a spot on your countertop, diving into its features, benefits, and real-world performance to help you decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Why choose the Fohere 12-cup food processor? The Fohere food processor isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a game-changer for anyone who loves to cook but dreads the prep work. With a 12-cup capacity, 2-in-1 Feed Chute, and multifunctional accessories, it tackles a wide range of tasks with ease. Whether you're whipping up a family-sized batch of salsa, shredding cheese for a pizza night, or kneading dough for fresh bread, this machine delivers consistent, professional-grade results. Its sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, while its safety features and easy-to-clean parts make it practical for everyday use. Let's break down what makes this food processor stand out. Key features that set it apart. 12-cup large capacity. Perfect for preparing large meals, this spacious bowl handles everything from pastry mixes to light creams without the need for multiple batches. The extra-wide chute allows you to process whole vegetables, eliminating tedious pre-cutting. 2 speeds and pulse setting. Choose between low speed for coarse chopping or high speed for smooth purees. The pulse function gives you precise control, ensuring perfect textures for soups, dips, and more. Multifunctional accessories. Equipped with a stainless steel S-blade for tough ingredients like meat, a plastic S-blade for pasta dough, and a reversible disc for grating and slicing, this processor is a one-stop shop for food prep. User-friendly design. Simple manual controls and dishwasher-safe parts make operation and cleanup a breeze, even for beginners. Safety first, anti-slip feet, overheating protection, and a double-locking mechanism ensure safe operation, giving you peace of mind during use. Benefits that make a difference. The Fohere food processor is more than just a tool. It's a time-saving, creativity-unlocking machine that simplifies your cooking routine. Here's how it elevates your kitchen experience. Effortless prep for any recipe. From dicing vegetables for a stir-fry to grinding meat for burgers, this processor handles it all, saving you hours of manual chopping. Versatility for every cook. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, the interchangeable blades and variable speeds let you experiment with new recipes like hummus, fish cakes, or homemade pasta. Stress-free maintenance. Dishwasher-safe parts and a smooth base make cleanup quick and easy, so you can focus on enjoying your creations. Real-world performance. Putting it to the test. To see how the Fohere 12-cup food processor performs, I put it through a series of real-world tests in my kitchen. First up was a batch of homemade salsa. The 2-in-1 Feed Chute effortlessly handled whole tomatoes and onions, and the pulse setting delivered a perfectly chunky texture in seconds. Next, I tried shredding carrots and cheese for a salad. The reversible disc produced uniform slices and grates, making my prep work look professional without any extra effort. Finally, I tackled kneading dough for pizza. The plastic S-blade mixed the dough smoothly, and the 600-watt motor showed no signs of strain, even with a dense mixture. One minor hiccup. During my first use, the processor wouldn't start until I ensured the bowl and lid were fully locked, a safety feature that's easy to master once you know the trick. The machine's performance was consistently impressive, though with no overheating or wobbling, thanks to its sturdy base and anti-slip feet. Cleanup was a breeze, as all removable parts are dishwasher-safe, and the stainless steel finish wiped clean with minimal effort. Who is this food processor for? The Fohere 12-cup food processor is perfect for busy parents. Prepare large batches of baby food, soups, or casseroles in minutes, freeing up time for family. Home entertainers. Impress guests with homemade dips, salsas, or desserts without spending hours in the kitchen. Baking enthusiasts. Knead dough for bread, pizza, or pastries with ease. achieving consistent results every time. Health-conscious cooks quickly chop fresh vegetables and fruits for salads, smoothies, or healthy snacks. Small kitchen owners. Its compact design fits easily on countertops, making it ideal for apartments or limited spaces. Why it's a smart investment. Priced competitively for its feature set, the Fohere food processor offers incredible value compared to high-end brands like Cuisinart or Breville. Its 12-cup capacity and versatile accessories make it suitable for both small and large households, while the safety features and easy maintenance cater to busy lifestyles. Whether you're looking to streamline meal prep, experiment with new recipes, or simply save time, this food processor delivers on all fronts.